The Dassault Rafale is one of the most iconic and versatile fighter jets in the world today. Designed and built by the French company Dassault Aviation, the Rafale stands out not just because of its sleek, delta-wing design, but because of its ability to perform a multitude of combat roles with a single airframe. In an era where multirole capabilities define the success of modern air forces, the Rafale has emerged as a true embodiment of flexibility, survivability, and combat effectiveness. First flying in 1986 and entering operational service in the early 2000s, the Rafale was developed as part of France's decision to pursue an independent fighter program, rather than participate in multinational projects like the Eurofighter Typhoon. France wanted a fighter that could meet the varied demands of its Air Force and Navy, capable of carrying out missions ranging from air superiority and ground attack to reconnaissance and nuclear deterrence. That vision gave birth to the Rafale, a fighter that can launch from both conventional runways and aircraft carriers without sacrificing performance. One of the most noticeable aspects of the Rafale is its delta-wing design combined with forward canards. This configuration gives it a high degree of maneuverability, allowing the aircraft to perform tight turns, fast climbs, and sharp angles of attack. The aerodynamic layout also contributes to a low radar cross-section, enhancing its stealth characteristics without relying on angular shaping like that seen in the F-22 or F-35. The Rafale is not a stealth aircraft in the strictest sense, but it does employ radar-absorbing materials and features that reduce its visibility to enemy radar systems. The heart of the Rafale's power comes from two Snecma M88-2 turbofan engines, which are compact yet powerful, offering a combined thrust of over 34,000 pounds. These engines allow the Rafale to achieve a top speed of Mach 1.8 and a combat range of approximately 1,850 km without refueling. When equipped with drop tanks or refueled mid-air, its operational reach is extended even further, enabling it to perform long-range strikes and deep penetration missions far from base. But performance in the air is only part of what makes the Rafale exceptional. The real strength lies in its multirole capability. The Rafale can switch roles mid-mission. It can engage enemy fighters in an aerial dogfight, and then drop precision-guided munitions on ground targets, and conduct reconnaissance, all in a single sortie. This ability is due to its advanced avionics, sensor fusion, and modular weapon systems that allow for a wide variety of loadouts. The fighter is equipped with the Thales RBE-2 AESA radar, one of the first active electronically scanned array radars to be deployed in a European fighter jet. This radar allows the Rafale to track multiple airborne targets at long distances, operate in challenging environments, and deliver accurate target data even in jamming conditions. Alongside the radar, the Rafale features the SPECTRA electronic warfare suite, which provides 360-degree threat detection, radar warning, jamming, decoy deployment, and even infrared missile detection. Together, these systems provide exceptional situational awareness and self-defense, allowing the pilot to detect and respond to threats well before being targeted. The Rafale's cockpit is built for maximum pilot efficiency. It features a glass cockpit layout with 3 large multifunction displays, a wide-angle holographic head-up display, and voice command capability for certain systems. The pilot uses a side-stick controller and throttle to fly the aircraft, and everything is designed to reduce workload and increase mission effectiveness. The Rafale also supports helmet-mounted sights and targeting systems, further enhancing its ability to engage enemies with agility and precision. Weapons-wise, the Rafale can carry a vast array of armaments on its 14 hardpoints or 13 for the naval version. It is capable of launching air-to-air missiles like the Mica and Meteor for beyond visual range engagements, air-to-ground missiles such as Scalp EG and AASM, anti-ship missiles like the AM-39 Exocet, as well as nuclear weapons including the ASMPA. It can also carry conventional bombs, laser-guided munitions, and cluster munitions. For close combat, it is equipped with a GIAT 30mm cannon. One of the standout features of the Rafale is its compatibility with the Meteor missile, a beyond visual range air-to-air missile that is considered among the most advanced in the world. The Meteor provides a no-escape zone significantly larger than traditional missiles, giving the Rafale a distinct edge in long-range engagements. The aircraft is produced in 3 main variants: the Rafale C, which is the single-seat land-based version for the French Air Force, the Rafale B, a 2-seat version also for land-based operations, and the Rafale M, the carrier-capable version operated by the French Navy. The M variant is strengthened for catapult launches and arrested landings, and features reinforced landing gear and a tailhook. Internationally, the Rafale has been exported to several countries, often after lengthy evaluation processes. India, Egypt, Qatar, Greece, Croatia, and the United Arab Emirates are among its major operators. India, in particular, conducted extensive trials and comparisons before selecting the Rafale to upgrade its air force. The Rafale's performance in hot and high-altitude conditions, as demonstrated during trials in the Himalayas, was a significant factor in India's choice. Combat experience has also validated the Rafale's effectiveness. The fighter has been deployed in various operations including Afghanistan, Libya, Mali, Syria, and Iraq. In all these theaters, the Rafale performed strike missions, reconnaissance, and air superiority tasks with a high degree of reliability and success. Its ability to deliver precision strikes while evading enemy air defenses has been praised by military analysts. One of the unique aspects of the Rafale is its adaptability to future threats. Dassault and the French defense industry have continuously upgraded the jet through a planned series of improvements known as F1, F2, F3, and the latest F4 standard. The F4 upgrade, currently being rolled out, includes enhanced connectivity, more powerful radar systems, upgraded electronic warfare capabilities, and improved cockpit interfaces. It also introduces a new generation of munitions and the ability to integrate with emerging battlefield networks, making the Rafale a fully network-centric warfare platform. This emphasis on future readiness means the Rafale will remain a relevant and powerful fighter well into the 2030s and beyond. It is also seen as a stepping stone toward the development of the next-generation Franco-German-Spanish fighter jet under the Future Combat Air System (FCAS) program. Rafale's experience and technology base are expected to feed directly into this upcoming sixth-generation platform. Despite all its strengths, the Rafale is often compared to other 4.5-generation and 5th-generation fighters such as the Eurofighter Typhoon, the American F-16V, the F-A-18 Super Hornet, the Russian Su-35, and even stealth platforms like the F-35 Lightning II. While the F-35 may have superior stealth, the Rafale surpasses it in kinematic performance, maintenance simplicity, and mission flexibility. The Typhoon may have a slight edge in high-altitude performance, but lacks the same multirole versatility and carrier operations. Capability. The Su-35 is a formidable opponent in terms of thrust and maneuverability, but the Rafale typically outperforms it in avionics, systems integration, and survivability in electronic warfare environments. Another important aspect is the Rafale's cost-effectiveness. Although not cheap, it provides excellent value for money given its broad operational envelope. Maintenance requirements have been streamlined through modular design, and the aircraft has an impressive mission availability rate. Its twin-engine configuration also offers a level of redundancy that appeals to countries operating in vaster mountainous terrains. Furthermore, the Rafale benefits from France's independent foreign policy, which means it often comes with fewer political strings attached compared to American or Russian alternatives. This has made it attractive to countries seeking to diversify their defense partnerships or reduce reliance on traditional suppliers. In terms of naval aviation, the Rafale M has no direct competitor outside of the U.S. F/A-180, F Super Hornet and possibly future F-35B/C variants. It remains Europe's only carrier-based fighter jet, and it has performed exceptionally well from the French aircraft carrier Charles de Gaulle. Its relatively compact size, powerful thrust-to-weight ratio, and robust landing gear make it ideal for carrier operations, especially where space is limited. Looking at pilot feedback, the Rafale has consistently received praise for its ease of handling, stability at low speeds, agility in dogfights, and exceptional situational awareness. Pilots appreciate the intuitive interface, the responsiveness of the flight controls, and the overall harmony between man and machine. This user-friendliness makes training efficient and increases combat effectiveness under high-stress conditions. Another often underappreciated strength of the Rafale is its reconnaissance capability. Equipped with the Aerios pod, the aircraft can carry out high-resolution reconnaissance missions over hostile terrain, even at night or through adverse weather. This makes it a valuable asset not only for combat but also for intelligence gathering and battlefield assessment. On the strategic front, France uses the Rafale as part of its nuclear deterrent through the airborne component. The aircraft can be armed with the ASMP, a nuclear missile, giving France the ability to deliver a strategic strike from land or sea. This role underscores the trust the French government places in the platform, not just for conventional operations, but for the nation's most critical strategic missions. As the global security environment evolves, the Rafale continues to gain relevance. It has proven its worth in active combat, multinational operations, and as a deterrent in volatile regions. With the F-4 standard and future upgrades on the horizon, it's safe to say that the Rafale will continue to serve as a frontline fighter for many years. In summary, the Dassault Rafale is not just a fighter jet, it is a symbol of French engineering excellence and strategic autonomy. It combines speed, agility, advanced electronics, and multirole capabilities in a single, combat-proven platform. Whether in the skies above Europe, the Middle East, or Asia, the Rafale remains a serious contender, a lethal guardian, and a technological marvel of modern aerial warfare.